What's up, guys? Big Clyde 34 coming at you. What's up, dudes? Got my new Gopro today. Blah 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 blah. So it's pretty sweet, and I'm gonna do stuff with it. Fucking still. Can you see my face? This shit is real big here. Or do I need to be up here? Or do I down here? Blah blah blah, uh-huh. Blah 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 blah. Blah dee blah. Blah blah blah. Ah. Ah. What's up, guys? I just wanted to talk about my new GoPro 6 and shit that I got. I'm having a bad hair day, so I gotta wear the hat, so I probably look dope as shit. Eh? Ha ha ha.